So just at much Marcle Steam Rally. I'm not going to do a video of the whole rally because the site's huge, but I thought I'd just show you some of the classic motorbikes that are on display in this video. There's quite a selection.
They would be used to transport fairground rides up and down the country. Some of the larger ones were also equipped with winches and cranes.
There's a little Triumph Tiger and a Norton.
The fairground rides.
Little matchless.
With a large dynamo which would then provide power for running the fairground rides. So that's
Beautiful AJs.
Road roller has been often used in the days before we had tarmac roads, then rode them over Cliffstone. These are the machines that would often be used to lay roads.
Suzuki's cool. Crazy Lambrettas. Beautiful AJs up on the trailer. Lovely. So you've got the tractor pulling going on in the background. Lovely OPSA. $750 Super 4. Little Gorelli. XL 600 would be lovely to have. There's a fantastic selection of motorbikes here. Matchless in BSA scramblers. The Yamaha TY80. But that's got an interesting story.